Hey everyone, if you're looking to promote your products in a fresh, engaging way, Threads is the best place to be. Whether you're selling physical products, digital goods, or services, today I'm going to show you how to leverage Threads to effectively reach your audience and boost your sales. Let's dive right in. First of all, optimize your profile. Make sure that you click your profile at the bottom right, whether you're using app or website, and click edit profile. Make sure that you add the proper Instagram photo, right, or high quality logo, and write a compelling bio that explains who you are and what your brand or products are all about. And do not forget to include links to your product page or website in your bio so followers can easily make a purchase. Okay. Next, post a visually engaging content. Content is key on Threads, so make sure your posts are visually appealing and aligned with your brand's style. Let's have an example. I'm gonna click right here, the plus button, and then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna write this idea, okay, the story behind my product, right? And every merge, you can add whatever product that you want. In my case, I'm not gonna add any name, just for the case of explanation. And here, every piece of merch has a story, and this one is extra special, right? And you can see right here, this is the post, right? Make sure that you add also photos or videos or GIFs to make your post appealing, and make sure that you leverage also the hashtags, right? Add hashtags for, let's say for example, the product name, product, right, productivity, viral, for example, and more, let's say product. Okay, make sure that you add 3 to 5 hashtags or trending hashtags that align with your brand to join larger conversations, and engage with your audience after you post this, right? So let's have an example. I want to post this one, right? So it's above the limit, so I'm gonna post this, right? I'm gonna hit post. As you can see right here, you're gonna see the new post about the story, right? Make sure that you check the responses, right? Respond to comments and messages quickly to build a relationship with your audience. You can find the messages at the bottom right here at the heart, and you're gonna see all the notifications, including mentions, replies, and more, right? And also the DMs, right? And the DMs, you're gonna also find it on Instagram because they're both linked. So if you didn't find it here, you're gonna find it on your Instagram. And make sure that you ask questions in your post, right? You can go ahead into this post and write a thread, right? Or add a thread. What is the best thing about this product, right? Question mark. And let people respond. You can use it as a thread, or you can repost or quote your post. Let me close this, right? And make sure that you click quote right here in order to ask the question if you want to do that, or use it as a thread to engage with your audience. And you can click the plus button right here also to run polls, right? By clicking polls right here, the icon, to make sure to ask people or to involve your followers in a product development or decisions, right? Next, social proof is powerful, so use it to your advantage. Share customer testimonials in user-generated content. If you have a screenshot of the products, you can just go ahead and add it to your thread by adding a visual photo, right? And share customer reviews and testimonials about this product, okay? And offer exclusive deals, right? You can also click the quote right here, like retweet, and instead of reposting, you're gonna quote right here and type free shipping, right? For all, today only. Today only, exclamation point, right? And you're gonna just type post at the bottom right, right? And that way you're gonna incentivize your audience to buy your product, right? Or free samples to your community to boost engagement and sales. And next, which is very important, engage with influencers and partners. Teaming up with influencers or other brands can help expand your reach. Look for influencers who align with your values and have following that matches your target audience, right? A shout out, a collaboration, or product review from an influencer can help help basically increase visibility and drive traffic to your product page. Okay, and of course, track your performance. Lastly, monitor how your posts are performing by clicking the profile at the bottom right. You can see right here next to the Instagram logo the insights, and you can be able to see the views, interactions for your posts. Okay, which posts are driving the most traffic to your website or store, your follower growth, right? You're gonna find it right here. Okay, and also you're gonna see the most viewed and whatnot, what have you. And that's how you can effectively promote your products on Threads by optimizing your profile, posting engaging content, and interacting with your audience, and offering exclusive deals. You can build a strong presence and boost your sales. Do not forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more marketing tips. Let me know in the comments how you're using Threads for your products promotions.